Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to talk about how you can fix the disconnecting problem in the TalkTalk app. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So first of all you need to do is click open your settings and scroll down through it. So once you scroll down, you can find the apps option which you need to press. So here you need to simply go on the manage apps and scroll down through the drop down menu to search the TalkTalk app. So once you find the TalkTalk app, all you need to do is tap it open and simply tap on the storage option. So once you tap on storage, you can see the clear all data option. So you need to tap on it and click on the OK option. So once you do it, your data from the TalkTalk app will be removed and you need to log in again. However, your problem will be solved. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.